Hello! In this video, we're going to talk about factoring trinomials of the type x squared plus bx plus c by examining the constant term c. As you can see, in this type of trinomial, the coefficient of x squared is 1. In a different video, we're going to see when the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. By examining the constant term c, let's look at the sign. We see the sign. If the sign is positive, you need to look for two numbers with the same sign. It can be two negative numbers, or it can be two positive numbers, because we know that 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 is also 6. When the constant term c has a negative sign, look for two numbers whose product is negative. For example, if you look for negative 6, you can take 2 times negative 3 or negative 2 times 3. The product would be positive. Let's try to explain this by using an example. Suppose we have this example right here. Let me put it up here. The answer is to factorize x squared plus 7x plus 12. When you look at this one, what do you see? The constant term has a positive sign. So you see right here, it's positive. Now, when we try to factorize, we need to make sure that we use a number, two positive numbers. So we can have x plus a number, that would be like this, and factor another x plus another number that we don't need. So how you should do that? Now I have x plus, we try to work with only x squared, we split it x. Now we need to find a product, two factors. When you multiply these two numbers, it gives you 12. We know if you try to multiply some numbers, let's say you do 3 times 4 would be 12. You can have also 2 times 6 would be 12. You can have 1 times 12 would be 12. And the same way, if you use the negative sign, it should give you the same thing. But among all those factors, that the two numbers give you 12. When you add them, which one give you 7? Because you want to make sure that the one, when you add these two factors, it should be 7. Let's check. If we do 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is actually 7. So we already find it. But you see also 2 plus 6 is 8, so it's not 7. And 1 plus 12 is 13. So how we should factorize this trinomial? We need to do it 3x plus 3 times x plus 4. Alright? So this is how you need to proceed to factorize a trinomials of the type x squared plus bx plus c. In a different video, we're going to work on examples where the signs are negative. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then don't forget to subscribe to see more video coming. Have a good day. Bye bye.